There are moments that only exist because someone thought to press a shutter. Yet so many of those memories sit in albums on a shelf, slowly fading. Colors wash out, details disappear, and damage like scratches and creases take over. What if you could bring this photo back to life in seconds? With Restore AI, an integral feature of ON1 Photo RAW MAX, those memories don't have to stay locked away. You can digitize, restore, and bring them back to life. Repairing the damage, revealing detail that feels newly discovered, and even colorize black and white photos realistically. Once restored, they're no longer hidden, they're ready to be shared, celebrated, and passed on for generations. Restore AI uses powerful cloud-based machine learning models that can handle restorations that exceed the limits of a typical desktop computer. By processing in the cloud, it can deeply analyze each photo, repairing damage, reducing noise, and restoring color and detail without being constrained by local hardware. It works on all types of photos, from old black and white prints to negatives and slides, and even early digital captures from your first smartphone or camera. It excels at people, but it works with any subject matter, restoring color and detail that lack in the original. Learn more about Restore AI, located inside of ON1 Photo RAW MAX, by visiting on1.com for updated examples, availability, and pricing options.